So it will be great if you could talk about some of your work, some things that you have built in the space of Gen AI.
I cannot name any client names, but we have worked for an international container shipping company. What was the situation? Clients write roughly 1 million of emails to that container shipping company asking, hey, I want to ship used cars from country A to country B. What are the regulations? Yeah. And then you have to say, okay, for country A, these are the regulations. The internal representative has to then go through all of these databases and then, okay, we have these regulations for that country, these regulations for the other country. Then there are overarching rules, maybe some FAQs, there are plenty of things. Then also the ask can come in different languages. Yeah, it's global. And so then the internal representative puts it all together, writes it up, cross-reads it, and then sends it out. This can take up to half a day for one email. So, and they get like up to 1 million of these emails per year. And what we have built is a chatbot where the representative takes the email, copy and paste it to the chatbot. The chatbot, through a RAG system, that is the most dominant architecture right now for generative applications. What's happening is that first, through semantic search, you plug in all of the databases. Through semantic search, you search, okay, what is the query actually? What is the intent here? Yeah, so we have to extract the intent. Then we see through semantic search what information in the databases are most close to the query and can answer that question. And then you take these chunks of this information and you put it into some prompt engineering, and you send it to a language model. The language model then can play with different languages and can translate on the fly. And second, it answers nicely in an email format, depending on how you prompt it, right? Then the internal representative takes it, copy paste to the employee, cross reads it, and then sends it out. Why this copy and pasting? Because of liability questions. You want to have the responsibility at a human still. Last year especially, and I think still this year, most of these models are not that good that you want to say, okay, we can give it all of the client communication, direct client communication, and we trust it 100%. I would not go there yet. I would try to get some trust first through a testing phase. But this was a huge project and hugely successful, because you can see from 4 hours per email, you have now copy paste. It takes 1 minute. The answer is there. Paste back, cross read, send. A huge time resource saving.